The 2026 Comrades Marathon is officially upon us. Of course, race yakulonyaka izobe ngomhla 14 June. That's on a Sunday. It is an uprun iqala eThekwini ebheke lapha ke eMgungundlovu in what will be the 99th edition of the Ultimate Human Race. So there are over 21,000 runners who are expected ukuthi baye ku starting line ezobe lapha eDurban City Hall on that very Sunday, preparing for a Comrades Marathon. So what better way for us to build up to this exciting event than to visit the very runners abazobe beyingxenye of a Comrades Marathon. So we decided ukuthi size la eThekwini to visit a very small community of runners who have been hard at work for the past year preparing for the Ultimate Human Race.
This is actually my fourth Comrades. Yes. But I have 2 finishes and 1 DNF. So my first one, I ran my first Comrades in 2016. That one was good. I had a lot of people that were supportive in my journey. Then the second one, 2017, this t-shirt, angiqedanga le. So the reason why ngibuyile this year, revenge for the 2017 up run that I didn't finish. So the 2 Comrades that I finished were good, and then this one, it was kind of like an Achilles heel, something that I still had to come back and finish because I'm qedanga in 2017. So that's my motivation for this year.
One thing I'm going to say first, the down and the up is just the name. Comrades is the same. You climb whether you're going down, whether you're going up. But one thing that I have picked up with all the Comrades that I've done is that the up run is not very brutal on the body. When I finished my up run, I felt like I could still run like 10 kilometers. But with the down run, once you are done, you are done. Every fiber of your body, every part of your body is painful. So that has been the experience for me. But I'm looking forward now to my second up run so that I can conclude and say, in fact, going up is not really painful on the body than the down.
Ngingathi nje iComrades uma ngathi kwezemfundo usuke kuyona iziqu zobudokotela kuma umgijimi. Uma utrainile sithi uJune iwona uNew Year wethu loyo. Uma usugijima iComrades nje uthi Happy New Year ngoba manje uthatha wonke ama training kade wenza during the year, ama-marathons, sleepless nights, wonke ama-seasons odlula kuwona. Bese uma ugijima iComrades la usuke usuyayitesta khona. So iComrades is very, very personal.
I think for me it's a process. It's been quite intense. I think you stretch yourself so much. I think where you think your ceiling is, you reach a new one. So I think it is probably the ultimate human race, and it's just a real endurance. So your target here to this year is a silver medal, which is sub 7.5 hours. So bona khona emgaqweni but